This is Manish Nigam, and today I'm going to explain you the advertisement that is to let. Before this video, I have already given you two videos. One was of situation vacant and one was of situation wanted. You can check the playlist. Please go through that. And what we do while we write the advertisement to let. So again, I have taken out the certain points, the main points, the keywords that you can use while you are writing the to let advertisement. The point that you have to keep in your mind, that is the format, it is of 1 mark, the content that is of 1 mark, and the expression that is also of 1 mark. So these are the 3 points that you have to remember. This year it is of 3 marks, the short composition. Now while we writing the advertisement, there is one more point which you have to keep in your mind, that is the word limit, which is 50 words. You cannot exceed more than that. And the third point, that all advertisement, whether it is business advertisement or matrimonial or missing or wanted or vacant, whatever it is, it will be in a box, okay, with neat and clean handwriting. Now see, the first point that you have to keep in your mind is while we write this to let advertisement, we write the word wanted or available. Here I have written in a small letter, but you have to remember that you can write or you have to write with the capital letters. Got it? Number two, the second point that you can mention, that you can keep in your advertisement, that is number of bedrooms, size of rooms or bathrooms, etc. Means the house, the flat, the room that is going to be given to the person. So what are the facilities you are providing to that fellow? Then comes the third point, and here it is brief description of the house, like the floor, how many floors are there, porch, then garage, then storeroom for all keeping the things and all that, lawn, garden, etc. Means you have to also specify the description of such small things. Then comes the point number 4, and what it is, indicate the directions. Direction in the sense, now you would have noticed that sun facing, sea facing, beach facing, garden facing. So you have to mention that also. Here I have taken two, like sun facing and park facing, etc. Then comes the next point, that is detail of water and electricity. Means the person who is going to live there or who is going to take your house as a tenant, so he just needs that water supply and electric supply to be regular. So you have to specify that point also. Number 6, that is a small family or big family. Nowadays it is generally people want the small family to be, so it is a preference actually what you want to have, okay, what type of family you want to have, whether it's a small family or a big family. Then comes rent expected. Yeah, that is important point. Without money, how can you give the house or the flat to someone? So you can also mention the money or the payment that you want. And the last point that you have to keep there, that is address and contact number, and that will be applied for all advertisements. So my dear children, if you remember these points, and just you have to elaborate these points, detail these points while you are writing, and remember, you need not to extend the sentence, you have to just write the phrases only, and just keep these points, keep these keywords in your mind, and just write the advertisement. Let me take you to the advertisement which I have already written. So here that sample is given to let. How we do that? So as I mentioned, first of all we write wanted or available. There you see available is written in all capital letter, and to let is the title that you can give there, okay. So to let, and the first is there available, means the first word will be in capital letter. Then comes on rent at MIZ 40 Bharut Nagar Satna. Here I have mentioned the address. You can mention the address, any address you can put. If it is given in the question, then it is so far so good, and if it is not there, you can write your own address, no problem. Then comes, what is the next point? Number of bedroom size and all that. So 2-3 bedrooms flat with all amenities. Here I have written all amenities, so no need of mentioning about that bathroom attached and all that. So all amenities means whatever necessities there, whatever necessities are there for that tenant, it is all given there. And parking space, the next point that I have highlighted is parking space. Now come to the next point, well ventilated and modern construction. Yes, this point is important. Well ventilated. Whosoever is hiring your house, actually he wants that ventilated house, means that ventilation should be there, the proper air and all supply should be there. Then modern construction means the build quality, how the house is being constructed. And then comes this, what I mentioned there, the supply of water and all, water and electricity. So there you see 24-hour water supply, then comma, power backup, then comma, lift facility, then comma, garden facing, again comma, a small family preferred. So whatever point I have sorted out, I have highlighted all those points I have taken here, and that completes the part, that completes the advertisement. Here I have missed one point, that is the payment or the rent, that is not given. So you can add there a small family preferred, and the rent would be, or rent only, not would be, only you write rent 5,000 per month. That's it. It's enough now. And then contact. So the contact is very important. Again comes the contact. So if it is given in the question, it's okay. Otherwise you can write any name. Here I have written Fatima, property dealer, 4 Gandhi Road, Satna, and then give any phone number. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, any number you can give. So in this way, my dear children, the advertisement to let is complete, and please keep all these points in your mind, and you can write any advertisement based on to let. Hope so this information, this lesson was enough for you, sufficient for you, and for other details of advertisement you can go and check the playlist. Thank you and God bless.